Fine, let us go with the problem number 30 here. Right. Represent 26 kg 5 gram using concept of decimal. We have to represent this in terms of decimal. Right. Now, what they have given, that is 26 kg they have given and 5 grams. I need to add these two things. Now, 26 kg and 5 grams. So, I need to convert this into kg. You know, 1 kg is equal to how many grams? That is 1000 grams. Right. I need to divide this 5 grams by 1000. That is 5 grams by 1000, which is going to be 0.005 grams kg. Now add this. This is 26 kg plus this, that is 26 plus 0.005 kg, which is nothing but 26.005 kg. The answer here is B. Correct? That is the answer.